The Southampton International Boat Show is back. Big, bright, bold and beautiful.
It's the show that blows others out of the water. It's going to be huge.
As always, there's something for everyone. There's new zones to explore and new water sports to discover. There's a chance to get your hands on the latest tech and experience the very best of the boating world. There's access to the biggest brands and amazing food and drink to keep you going. Of course, the Southampton International Boat Show wouldn't be the same without this. A marina filled with boats. Glorious boats. And this year, there's over 650 of them.
We can't wait to see you here at the Southampton International Boat Show 2022. Book your tickets today.